Welcome to Eventriga. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add and upload brand assets to ensure consistency across your design project, whether it is logos, guidelines or color palette. Keeping your brand assets organized helps designer deliver exactly what you need. Let's dive in. Go to the sidebar and click the My Brands menu. Enter your brand name. This is required. Add a brief description in the About field to give context. Next, specify your brand colors. Use S codes or color names separated by commas. For typography, describe your preferred fonts. These details create a foundation for your brand profile. The key parts: uploading your brand assets. Click the brand files feed to select files. You can upload multiple items at once, such as logos files, brand guidelines, font files, other assets like icons or templates. Supported formats include images, PDFs, design files, and Google Drive or other cloud storage platform. Make sure files are not too large. Aim for under 2 MB. Once selected, the files will be uploaded when you submit the brand. Designers can access these assets to ensure consistency in your project. Review your details and uploaded files. Click Add Brand to save everything. You will see a success message and the new brand will appear in the drop-down for future requests. If you need to edit or add more assets later, you can manage brands in your My Brand section. That is how easy it is to upload brand assets on Eventriga. By providing these resources, you help designers create work that aligns perfectly with your brand. Try it out and keep your project consistent. Happy designing.